Welcome to our guide on how to buy V-Bucks with an Amazon gift card. V-Bucks are essential for unlocking exciting content in Fortnite. First, let's talk about Amazon gift cards. They are a simple way to make purchases on Amazon, including games and in-game currency. To redeem your Amazon gift card, log into your account and navigate to your account. Then click on Redeem a gift card. Now let's find V-Bucks. Use the search bar on the Amazon website or app and type in Fortnite V-Bucks. Select the package of V-Bucks you want and opt to pay using your Amazon account balance. After confirming your purchase, check your email for a receipt and voila, your V-Bucks will be added to your Fortnite account. If you encounter issues like not receiving your V-Bucks, check your account settings or the transaction history on Amazon. Here are some tips. Look for special promotions or combine multiple gift cards for bigger purchases. To wrap up, redeem your Amazon gift card, find V-Bucks, and enjoy your purchases in Fortnite. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips.